How do you sit in a control room and nationwide execute drone missions that are flying often within meters of critical infrastructure? How do you not just do that once, but do it repeatedly at large scale from a control room, day in, day out, without any issues? That's the problem we solve. Grid companies worldwide are facing the perfect storm. On the one hand, they're being required to upgrade infrastructure at an unprecedented rate, driven by the energy transition. On the other hand, they have a shortage of labour, shortage of materials and components, and they're working with ageing assets under pressure from climate change. The combination of all of this is putting incredible pressure on their businesses.
It's more over there, goes that way though.
Oh, so it's like distribution lines going across this way.
Working with some of the world's leading grid operators, we're building a technology platform. A combination of advanced software and hardware that enables centrally controlled, close aerial operations on live grid infrastructure. We fly close quarter missions. What that means is we're able to get detailed information on the condition of the tower, let's say, which is very different to overview missions.
What this drone does is it provides our clients with very accurate and repeatable data.
We use the LiDAR and camera sensors to create a virtual model of the world around the drone in 3D. That's used by the drone both for its mission execution and routing, but it's also sent back to the pilot, who in real time can view the drone in the context of that world.
The other big advantage of our system is because we've designed it from the ground up and we understand all the internals perfectly well, we can then add new capabilities, meaning that we have full control of the whole design pipeline. And that has a lot of advantages from a security standpoint and also from the standpoint of being able to react to changing customer needs.
We gather and store everything on every flight. We log all sensors, we log lots of telemetry and data in our software back to our cloud system, and that gives us unprecedented ability to review flights and to continuously improve the system.
Our customers aren't just adopting a new technology, they're embracing a whole new operating model for their business, a permanent, always-on capability that works alongside and complements their existing resources. Helicopters, in-house experts, external contractors, freeing each up to do the work they're best suited to.
We embed ourselves with our clients from day one. We seek to deeply understand their problems. We're taking customers on a journey towards embedding our capability into their routine workflows. And they need the right people around them to support them as they drive change internally.
And so the plan is just adding to the data pool and helping them understand their asset better.
We're creating a new category that hasn't existed before. And inspection is just the start. Over time, we'll expand to a broader range of services, eventually right through to physical work on the grid itself.